Morning, dear friends. Today we talk about the steroidal drugs. What are the steroidal drugs that contain steroidal nucleus? Steroidal nucleus is very complex, rigid structure which contain reduced nanthrene ring with cyclopentane combined and total 17 atoms are in the ring system. These steroidal drugs are divided on the basis of 5-alpha and 5-beta. There are two types of steroidal nucleus which contain 5-alpha hydrogen. These are generally found in glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids and sex hormones. And if we talk about 5-beta hydrogen, these drugs are mainly found in cardiac glycosides and bile acids like folic acids, 24 carbon compounds. Steroidal nucleus is again classified on the number of carbon ring system. If there are 27 carbon chain, then this is known as cholesterol, and the major compound is cholesterol, which is known as cholesterol cholesterol. Second one is 21 carbon chain, that is known as pregnane like alkane. This type of ring system is mainly found in glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, for example cortisol or prednisone or triamcinolone, betamethasone, dexamethasone, etc. And others compound that contain 21 pregnant ring is mainly progesterone, that is also known as pregnenolone 320 dione. And if we talk about the third ring system, that is found in estrone ring system, estradiol, major female hormone, estrogen derivative estradiol, that contain only 18 carbon chain. And fourth one is androsten, that is 19 carbon chain. We will remove 2 carbon chain 20 and 21 from the site, and this ring system is mainly present in androgen or male hormone, that is known as testosterone. Again we talk about the steroidal drugs. Steroidal drugs are divided in three parts. First is cholesterol, its biosynthesis and metabolism. Second one is glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids, and third one is here sex hormone, which is a important part. And fourth one we can say cardiac glycosides or 5-beta chain containing compounds, which are most widely used in congestive heart failure. First we talk about the cholesterol. Cholesterol is the major part of our body that is biosynthesized by a small molecule known as acetyl coenzyme that contain only 2 carbon. This taking a one other molecule of acetyl coenzyme, this forms acetoacetyl coenzyme, and again use one other acetyl coenzyme unit and first form rate limiting compound, that is known as HMG coreductase or beta hydroxy beta methyl butyryl coreductase enzyme, or this is also known as 3-hydroxyl 3-methyl butyryl coenzyme. This is further converted to mevalonic acid or mevalonate. That is very important. This is feedback inhibition. If the level of cholesterol decrease in our body, this will call the synthesis of cholesterol, and if there is overproduction, this inhibits the biosynthesis. This mevalonic acid is further goes to here isopentenyl pyrophosphate, and this unit here is enzyme isomerase that will convert to 3,3-dimethyl allyl pyrophosphate, and this is similar to isoprene unit. After combining these two, they will form geranyl pyrophosphate that has 2 units of isoprene, and this geranyl pyrophosphate is goes to the formation of farnesyl pyrophosphate that contain 3 units of isoprene and also known as sesquiterpene, intermediate of cholesterol biosynthesis. After combining the 2 units of geranyl pyrophosphate that form 6 units of isoprene, that is known as cyclic compound squalene. Squalene is very important intermediate that also converted to squalene epoxide by squalene epoxidase that will add epoxide at 3 position of the cholesterol ring, and this is important for antifungal activity. Basically, some drugs like tolnaftate inhibit the squalene epoxidase, and accumulation of squalene in fungal cell wall causes leakage of the cell wall. And first step we have talked about HMG co-reductase, that is also important as a anti-hyperlipidemic activity that inhibit the cholesterol biosynthesis in our body and decrease the level of type 2 hyperlipid, or we can say cholesterol and cholesterol esters. Further, this squalene epoxide is converted to different zygosterol, lanosterol, and at last this will form cholesterol. This cholesterol is stored, and this is further metabolized to different sex hormones like progesterone, estrogens, and this also biosynthesizes glucocorticoids in our body, and the main glucocorticoids is cortisol or cortisone, hydrocortisone. This is the synonym of this. Basically, this is biosynthesized in the adrenal cortex of our first gland, and this gland first there is important step that will form 21 carbon pregnenolone, and this pregnenolone contain double bond on 5,6, but after next step there is conversion of double bond from 5,6 to 4,5 isomerase, and with the help of there is oxidation of hydroxyl group oxysteroidal enzyme, and this will further there is hydroxylation on 11 position, and then 21 position, and then 17 position. There is enzyme known as 11 hydroxylase, 21 beta hydroxylase, and 17 hydroxylase. At 20 carbon there is keto group, and this is here first glucocorticoid known as cortisol or hydrocortisone. The name of this according to IUPAC system, this is known as here 11 17 21 trihydroxy pregni 1,4 diene 320 dione. That is the first steroidal glucocorticoids that is biosynthesized and found in our body. This hormone is converted to cortisone. It means this is decided by 11 group. If this is keto, then cortisone. Now, to implement the biological activity of these cortisols, some synthetic glucocorticoids were prepared by different